Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. This is a little view from my window in the level 2 on the Steinway Street, Astoria, New York. I do a lot of street photography sitting on my window, and now you can see a few people with the traditional American attire singing on the other side of my road. And I'll take some pictures of these people with Sony RX100 Mark 7. But you can see there's a little paper cup behind them lying on the walkway. I don't like it. I've taken several pictures, and I had to remove this paper cup using Lightroom 2023. And let me show you the pictures after removing this paper cup from my pictures. This editing is very important in digital photography. You can change, you can manipulate the pictures a little bit, removing some objects, removing some unwanted objects, and also you can do some color grading. Those who are interested in photography, please do learn both Photoshop and Lightroom for editing your pictures. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.